In this video, we'll explore how artificial intelligence is transforming factories worldwide, making them smarter, more efficient, and more connected than ever before. The manufacturing industry is undergoing a radical transformation, and AI is at the heart of it. From assembly lines to logistics, AI is enabling smart factories to operate with greater efficiency, reduce costs, and increase product quality. So, what is a smart factory? At its core, a smart factory is a facility that uses AI, IoT, Internet of Things, and automation to enhance manufacturing processes. Think of it as a factory where machines talk to each other and make decisions without human intervention. By 2025, over 75% of manufacturing companies are expected to adopt smart factory technologies, leading to a potential $1.2 trillion in additional economic value. That's a massive leap in how we make things. Let's break down the key technologies that are driving this change: AI, IoT, and robotics. AI helps machines learn and improve over time. For instance, AI can predict equipment failures before they happen, reducing downtime and saving companies billions of dollars annually. AI is also used to optimize production schedules, reducing waste and improving product quality. Imagine a factory where AI systems can predict demand fluctuations and adjust production schedules automatically. That's efficiency at its best. A great example is Siemens, a company that uses AI and IoT to run their smart factory in Hamburg, Germany. The facility produces over 1 million products a year, with AI-powered systems ensuring each product meets precise specifications. The result? A 99.98% quality rate. Another key player in this revolution is General Electric, GE. GE's Predix platform uses AI to analyze sensor data from factory machines, predicting when maintenance is needed. This predictive maintenance helps save millions of dollars annually in repair costs and improves machine longevity. Let's talk about automation. Smart factories are increasingly automating production lines with the help of robots. These robots work side by side with human workers, performing tasks such as assembling, packaging, and quality control. For instance, BMW has implemented robots that not only assemble parts but also interact with workers, improving collaboration and efficiency. These robots can also adjust their tasks based on real-time feedback, which is made possible through AI. But how does AI affect supply chains? Smart factories leverage AI to optimize the flow of materials. Real-time data from sensors in the factory floor and throughout the supply chain helps manufacturers predict demand, ensuring that raw materials and finished goods are always in the right place at the right time. Consider the example of Tesla. Tesla uses AI to optimize its supply chain and production flow, allowing them to produce cars at a scale and speed that competitors find difficult to match. Their AI systems analyze everything from material procurement to delivery schedules. But with all this AI innovation, there are challenges. One of the most significant hurdles is cybersecurity. As factories become more connected, they are increasingly vulnerable to cyber attacks. To combat this, AI-powered security systems are being developed to detect and prevent threats in real time, ensuring factory operations remain safe and uninterrupted. AI also helps in workforce optimization. In traditional manufacturing, workers follow a fixed schedule. In a smart factory, AI helps assign tasks based on real-time data and the skills required, improving worker productivity and safety. For instance, Honda uses AI to manage labor in its smart factories. Their AI system adjusts shift patterns and job assignments to match demand, ensuring that workers are always operating at peak productivity. Let's not forget quality control. Smart factories use AI to monitor every aspect of production. Computer vision systems can detect flaws in products at a speed and accuracy level that humans simply can't match. This ensures that only high-quality products reach the market. Take Foxconn, one of the world's largest electronics manufacturers. Foxconn has integrated AI-powered vision systems into their assembly lines to check for defects in their products. This has reduced human error and improved product quality significantly. The environmental impact of manufacturing is also a key concern. Smart factories are leveraging AI to reduce waste and energy consumption. For example, AI systems can optimize the use of electricity and water, ensuring that these resources are used efficiently and sustainably. Intel's smart factory in Oregon uses AI to reduce energy usage by 15% annually, saving millions of dollars in utility costs while reducing its carbon footprint. AI also helps in the area of inventory management. In smart factories, AI systems track inventory levels in real time, ensuring that there is no overstocking or understocking of materials. This reduces costs and prevents delays in production. An example is Amazon's use of AI in its warehouses, where robots and AI-driven systems work together to manage inventory. Their robots are able to sort and organize millions of products every day, improving warehouse efficiency by 30%. So, what does the future hold for smart factories? As AI technology continues to evolve, we can expect even more sophisticated systems that can manage entire manufacturing processes autonomously. This means faster production times, higher quality, and more customizable products at a lower cost. In conclusion, AI in manufacturing is not just a trend, it's the future. Smart factories are reshaping how we produce goods, making it possible to create products more efficiently, with higher quality, and at lower costs. The integration of AI in manufacturing is opening up a world of possibilities that will continue to evolve and improve. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like, share, and subscribe for more insights into the world of AI and technology. Stay tuned for our next video.